Long ago, in a peaceful jungle, lived a kind dinosaur named Dino. But Dino had one big problem. He snored very, very loudly. At night, the whole jungle shook. Snore echoed everywhere. Birds couldn't sleep. Monkeys covered their ears. "Your snoring is too loud," said the parrots. "We can't rest." Dino felt sad. He didn't mean to disturb anyone. Dino decided to find a way to stop snoring. "Maybe I need help," he said. So he began a big jungle adventure. First, Dino met Ellie the elephant. "Try sleeping on your side," Ellie suggested. Dino tried, but the snore grew louder. Next, he met Leo the lion. "Breathe slowly before bed," Leo advised. Dino tried deep breaths. Snore. It didn't work. Then Gina the giraffe said, "Maybe drink warm water before sleep." Dino drank, yawned, and fell asleep. Still snore. All animals gathered. "What can we do?" asked the monkeys. "If we can't sleep, we'll all be tired." Then Wise Owl spoke. "Maybe Dino needs a bedtime routine. Wash, stretch, relax, then sleep calmly." The animals helped. Dino brushed his big teeth, washed his face, and stretched his long tail. He lay down, closed his eyes, and breathed slowly. The jungle waited silently. Snore. Everyone held their breath. But this time, Dino's snore was soft like a gentle breeze. "Wow," cheered the parrots. "We can finally sleep." Monkeys clapped, and Ellie trumpeted happily. From then on, Dino followed his bedtime routine every night. He snored quietly, and the jungle stayed peaceful. The animals learned too. Brushing, stretching, and calming down helps everyone sleep better. And so, Dino's loud snores turned into soft whispers, and the jungle dreamed sweet dreams every night.